Hello friends, in this video let us see the unboxing of Thinkpad e15 Generation 2 laptop. So the specs is there on the screen. The model number is 20TDS0AB00. It comes with an Intel Core i3 processor, 11th generation, and it also has 4 GB of RAM and 250 GB of storage. Let us see what is there in the box. There is a user manual and the actual laptop. Let us remove the padding. Okay, so here we have the actual laptop. It has got matte finish. Let us see what is there in the box. A power cord and power adapter. The power adapter is a 65 watts power adapter. It comes with a Type-C port. The laptop has got the Thinkpad branding at the top, and it has also got the Lenovo branding. On the right hand side we have a USB 2.0 port and an RJ45 Ethernet socket and a Kensington lock. On the left hand side it has got a Type-C port which also connects to the power adapter, and we have a USB 3.1 port and a HDMI 1.4 port followed by a combo mic and headphone port. The back side of the laptop is very plain. We can see that it is written as audio by Harman, and there is also a Thinkpad e15 Generation 2 branding at the back side. The keyboard is a very pretty decent keyboard. It is a regular Thinkpad style of keyboard. It has got the important shortcut keys for volume controller, brightness adjustment, as well as for other basic tasks. It has got a privacy shutter so that you can close your camera whenever you are not using it. And the laptop also comes with a Thinkpad branding in the inside. And the trackpad is a regular Thinkpad type of trackpad, and on the left hand side we have the Intel sticker. The power button is placed at the top right hand corner, which also acts like a fingerprint sensor. Though it is advertised as a 180-degree laptop, there is a finger gap that goes inside, so it is not a perfect 180-degree. Now let us turn on the laptop and see how much time it takes for the booting. It almost took 12 seconds to 13 seconds. Let us see how much time it takes for shutting down. Almost 8 seconds for a complete shutdown. Let us retry. This time it took around 13 seconds. And for shutting down, it took around 12-13 seconds. Guys, this is a quick unboxing of Lenovo Thinkpad e15 Gen 2 i3 laptop. Hope you like this video. Please click on like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.